You how to use our WhatsApp blasting service. We are Malaysia first WhatsApp authorized partner where we have developed a system for user to DIY the service themselves. In normal WhatsApp blasting in the market, there are violate WhatsApp services where WhatsApp is not allowed us to send marketing and promotion message to their user. We can only use WhatsApp blasting service for product update, appointment update, payment receipt, those order update, and so on. So therefore, in this service, there will not have got any WhatsApp blocking phone number issue. The permanent phone number will be sent out using this is the phone number that we are going to do the permanent using. Unless you say you want to have a one-to-one chat, meaning to say you are able to use our system to communicate with your customer. That one we will develop that kind of features in future. But today I'm just going to demonstrate you how to use WhatsApp blasting services in our system. The WhatsApp blasting is sending out message something like this. So first of all, let's go into sms.360.my, log in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can register a new one. Once you complete your registration, our system will free you 5 ringgit for testing. So whenever you receive this message, is because our system detected you are not human being. So our index requirement set is quite high. Therefore, there will be chances that you see something like this. Even we are a human, but let's just try again. So once we access into this page, the first thing we will need to do is register the message template. WhatsApp is taking rigorous protection, strict protection towards their WhatsApp user. Every single message that we send out to their user has to be get approval by get reviewed by WhatsApp. Not every single. The first blasting message that meaning to say the first time we trigger the chat section with our WhatsApp user, our potential customer or customer, those messages are considered as a template message, where this first trigger message has to be approved by WhatsApp. Therefore, we will first need to create a template. Say like I just use this sample here. This is a membership expiry notification. So bear in mind, you will need to put your brand name in front, and then the curly bracket here, meaning to say this is a slot for dynamic content area. Later on, I will show you how to prepare all this dynamic content. The name inside here within the curly bracket is for your own reference. Therefore, from this example, we will know that in this area, we will put brand name. This dynamic content area here, we will put customer name, and here we will put date. So we will bear in mind, do not put new line within your message, such as like this. do not do that. And always put your brand name or phone number into if for further inquiry please contact your phone number. So we will do something like this. We have got 4 dynamic parameter over here, so we will just submit. So bear in mind that WhatsApp will take 3 to 5 working days to review your template message. So therefore your message now is currently under pending status. For these demonstration purposes, I'm going to use pre-approved template where every single template that approved by WhatsApp will be added into this database. Therefore, you can, if you want to, for example, you want to blast WhatsApp message right now without waiting for 3 to 5 days, you can use whatever template here which is already approved by WhatsApp. Say like for example, I'm going to use this as a sample. So whenever we press create, the template is automatically approved because this has been approved by WhatsApp previously. Definitely this is just a sample, and we will not put the phone number over here. We will make it as a dynamic content, but since this is just a sample and I don't want to wait for WhatsApp to review my message again for 3 to 5 days, so I will just use this for demonstration purposes. So let's now go to go to send WhatsApp message. So here the approved template will be listed over here. So we press select template, press next, press the Excel file, and then select the Excel file. Later on I will show you how do we prepare this Excel file. So bear in mind, in this template we are going to have 2 parameters here. So we have got 2 parameters. In our Excel file we should have got 2 parameters, but I don't want to waste time right now. We'll just proceed to send out the WhatsApp message. So I'm going to turn on my phone. So our message is queued up and will be sent out 1 minute later. So during this 1 minute period, you can decide to terminate or delete this event. You cannot amend, but you can view and you can delete. So within this 1 minute, I'm going to show you how do we prepare the Excel file. Say like for example, this one we selected the this is the message right now. Later on, the message will reach here after 1 minute. So right now I'm going to show you how do we prepare the Excel file. Say like for example, in this content area we have got 2 parameter, dynamic parameter. So therefore we only need 2 columns over here. So the first column will be always your phone number. Yeah, the WhatsApp message has been arrived. Let's have a look. Yeah, this is the content arrived to my mobile. So let me continue my the Excel file preparation. So the first parameter is your receiver mobile number. So the second one will be the branding. So say like for example this is the branding. So let's say for example AA bookstore. So throughout all the user, we will need to put in this thing, different phone number, and then the column here, the third column will be replaced by this area here. So say like for example, this is year, so we will just prepare 2019. So and like this, if for example you want to send out any one of your member is 2020, so you just replace like this, and then of course different phone number, and then you one thing very important, when we prepare this area here, whenever your Excel file have got date involved, you must do this step, which is highlight all, select text, then save, and then only you proceed to upload. Because Excel file record the date. Actually, this is what we see, but actually Excel file record the date itself in 5-digit numeric format. So if you are not formatting this into text, there will have got problem in the backend system while reading this digit here, 5-digit. We will not able to know that whether or not this is a OTP, one-time password code, or this is actually represent a date. Therefore, you will definitely need to select this and select date. Make sure all text are in all column, all content are in text format. Save it and then upload the Excel file. So as our previous demonstration, this is the message that we are going to receive, that we have received, and that's all. We are in the middle of preparing tutorial guide for WhatsApp guide. We will update here for your reference. If you have got anything, you can click here, or if you need any support, you can click here, submit your support ticket, or you can reach me anytime at this phone number. Meanwhile, we also doing constant update in this database here. So if you do not want to wait for 3 to 5 days for WhatsApp to review the message, you can always first consider to reuse any message listed in here. Of course, these are not a good sample because this is a prefix already, where this sample cannot be used for other people. Therefore, just bear in mind all the brand name should be removed as a dynamic content area. That's it for my tutorial today. If you have got any problem, please do not feel hesitate to contact us. Thank you. Bye.